Soon as you turn on TV or go on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you go on, you see Will Smith slapping Chris Rock. Now, every day it gets more and more suspicious. Was this really a real slap, or was it a publicity stunt? As you can see right here, this video popped up, I think it was about a year ago, when Will Smith was doing King Richard. He was teaching a little kid how to fake slap. Check this out.
New video has emerged showing Will Smith's skill at fake slapping.
There you go.
And now you see, right after that slap, you see Chris Rock tickets have increased in price. Look at this price increase right here. This is crazy. You know, was it a publicity stunt? Check this out.
Prices for Chris's Ego Death World Tour have surged from around $46 to more than $400 per ticket.
And also, if you look here on this Twitter tweet right here at TickPick, it says we sold more tickets to see Chris Rock overnight than we did the past month combined. Hey guys, you tell me what you think. Was this a publicity stunt? Was it for real? Or, man, you never know about these actors. It's so much strange stuff happening in the world. You don't know. You know, we just the little people. If you play chess, we may be just the pawns, and you got these rooks and all these other people playing. So we're just pawns on the table. So you guys tell me what you think. Was this a publicity stunt, or was it for real? But anyway, I won't make no more videos on this. I just wanted to get your guys' opinion on this. I'm done with it. So talk to you guys later, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.